Hello everyone. Let's explore some powerful typography techniques that can transform your logo into a perfectly balanced visual identity.
I'm taking it slow, but I just want